third degree on the chopping block is the one everyone told you was the golden ticket: computer science. For the last decade or two, the advice was simple: learn to code. If you did, you were guaranteed a six-figure salary, a ping pong table in the office, and you'd work amongst a team of pretentious nerds who thought they were too cool to get changed out of their pajamas to come into the office. Well, that advice is now dog shit. A recent study conducted at Stanford shows that job listings and the hiring of entry-level software developers have dropped drastically. Take a look at the decline in the blue line on the graph, which represents entry-level jobs, and look at the orange line, the hiring of 26 to 30-year-olds, both falling off a cliff. And the why is obvious. ChatGPT, Gemini, Cursor, GitHub Copilot have all completely destroyed the value of a junior developer. What do junior devs actually do? They write boilerplate code, they write unit tests, they debug simple errors. Well, guess what? Cursor does that instantly and for $20 a month instead of $120K a year plus benefits and sick leave. We're seeing a massive shift where senior engineers armed with AI can now do the work of 3, 5, maybe even 10 engineers. Companies no longer need juniors to do the grunt work anymore. A recent survey from Stack Overflow and Deal found that 66% of enterprises are actively reducing entry-level hiring specifically because they're adopting AI tools. So why would you bother spending 4 years studying data structures and algorithms only to graduate into a market that pretty much considers you useless? The next useless degree on our list is anything to do with foreign languages and translations. For decades, learning a second language was the ultimate soft skill. If you could speak Mandarin or Spanish or Japanese, you were the bridge, the diplomat, the essential human link between cultures to help get business done. Well, that bridge just got replaced by a server farm somewhere in California. A massive study done by Microsoft's research team put interpreters and translators as the #1 job most vulnerable to AI. They gave it a coverage score of 98%, meaning 98% of the tasks a professional translator does can now be done by AI. We've got tools like Samsung's AI Live Translate or Google Pixel phones that let you have a phone call with someone speaking a completely different language with the phone translating what's being said in real time. And other tools like Hey Gen that take a video of you speaking English and instantly dub it into another language while rewriting your lip movements to match that new language. Cool as f***, not gonna lie. Not so cool if you thought that degree in languages and linguistics was going to land you a high-paying job, or any kind of job for that matter.